I live in this weathered greenhouse on the outskirts of Honiara, the capital of Solomon Islands, and I'm just waking up. In this video, we are spending a day at my off-grid home showing a side of life in Honiara that many people don't usually see. Even though I'm just a 20 minutes drive from the center of the city, there's no water supply and I haven't connected electricity yet. So for now, I'm living completely off-grid. So this makeshift table has been set up to help with food prep and to keep all the utensils organized. I'm actually making coffee for me and my uncle. He actually lives nearby. He came over last night and ended up staying over.
Makan? Pita spoon sugar.
Itu boleh.
Rodok.
I love spending time with this old man. He's got a great sense of humor. Both of us do. So there's never a dull moment when we are together. Recently, he even offered to help my cousin build my water tank. He may not have the same energy he once had, but his presence alone meant a lot to all of us during the week. That's why I always enjoy having him around at my place. Have rice from last night. I don't have a fridge to have it preserved. Our most famous salmon tuna. So this is our fried rice. I'm not gonna eat it right now. I'll store it up for later in the afternoon. The reason why I'm heating it right now is I don't have a fridge to have it preserved. So as I mentioned earlier, I don't have a proper water supply at my place yet, and my water tank is not fully set up for use. For now, I collect rainwater in these drums, which I use for cooking and washing dishes. Okay. One of the joys of living at my new place is the friendliness of the neighbors. Yeah, so this morning, I was given like this. It's cassava pudding, my favorite local delicacy. It's just cassava or tapioca, grated and then mixed with coconut cream and then baked overnight. And it comes with baked tuna as well. It has a kind of a delicious taste that I really like. So let me show you where I sleep. I sleep in this tiny room. And because of the danger of being bitten by malaria-carrying mosquitoes, I've decided to sleep under a mosquito net. So I'm sitting here trying to edit the video that you're watching right now, and all my soundtrack are from Epidemic Sound. This video is not sponsored by them, but Epidemic Sound, if you are out there watching this video, please help sponsor my videos. Cool, isn't it? I edit all my videos on my cell phone, and I've been enjoying it. I feel like when you use your cell phone to shoot and edit your videos, you have a tiny device, portable one that you can actually edit on the go. Quite convenient for me. I spent the rest of the afternoon attending to some unfinished tasks around the place. And the weather was perfect for it. So this is what we're having for lunch. Pudding. Thanks for hanging out with me. Guys, this is Harold. I will see you next time.